Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm actually in Alexander Springs, located in the Ocala National Forest. And right now, as you guys saw, from me driving here, I'm in my camping site. I just settled everything in. So I want to show you guys something. The clouds are running low, so what I want to do, I want to catch them. So I'm not only going to show you guys the campsite from the air, but I also want to show you guys some clouds, okay? Stay tuned.
Sometimes you need to go.
All right, that footage came out pretty cool. I actually was able to catch some clouds from here. I was not expecting that, so that's a huge plus. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm in this camping site. This is a state park. There's restrooms and things like that. I'm not gonna bother with that, actually. I'm gonna show you guys the spring. I want to show you guys what that looks like. And there is a recreational area for day use for people that come in during the day and stuff like that. So without any further ado, let me go over there and show you guys the spring. Okay, right now I'm walking in the parking area, but I want to show you guys what that's about. Apparently there's a small little theater here, outside theater. People get to sit and stuff. So yeah, there's that. So now I'm gonna go to the recreational area and show you guys around. Right now we have a bear here. Let's see. There he is. There's that bear. Ain't that something? Thank you guys. That is great footage. I'm making a YouTube video. So this is the entrance for the canoe loading section, and here's for the recreational area. I'm gonna show you guys first the canoe, because the canoe launching area connects into the recreational area. So I'm gonna fast forward this real fast.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
And here is the canoe kayak launching area. It's a nice little river run.
The world seems small. We can sit.
So yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go towards the spring. The spring is over there. So I'm gonna show you guys that section.
Meant to be.
So right now, here's the recreational area that they use. And here is the springs. I ain't jumping in because it's too cold. It's in the 40s right now here in Ocala. Whew. But it is definitely a beautiful sight. Now, although I will not be swimming, I'm gonna take the drone and I'm gonna take it towards the spring, right where the spring is. Show you guys an aerial footage of it, and then show you guys some of the river run so you guys can see a little bit of it. Okay.
From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. bird on a tree.
That view was beautiful, actually. Out of all the times that I have come here, that's the first time I see the spring from that angle, so that came out nice. Well, right now there is a trail over there, and it goes around, and it reaches that fishing lookout over there. So I'm gonna go walk it so I can show you guys. All right. Of course, not to bore you, I'm gonna fast forward this footage, okay?
Together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now, the nature trail is this way. I think it's about a mile long, but I'm not going that route. I'm gonna go towards the lookout. Oh, this is nice.
Take a step,
Not that nice over here.
see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
Here is the lookout.
You and me,
And nice.
meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I like it. There's another lookout. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I believe towards the other end that shows part of the river run. Let's go to it. All right, so here's the other lookout.
Like a bird on a tree,
We have some kayakers over there.
sitting here. I got time.
Beautiful water, so clear.
It's clear to see. From up here,
I love this place.
world
Oh,
seems small.
in particular, I've shown you guys almost everything out of this park. So what I'm gonna do now is go take a shower, chill for a little bit, show you guys what everything looks like in the evening. For tonight's menu is gonna be some Philly cheese, sandwiches, some chips. Yeah, that's gonna be my dinner tonight. And then later on, once the night gets darker, some s'mores. Haha, it's gonna be nice. Favorite time of camping. Sun's about to go out. Got my torch going. Got my fire going. Downloaded the latest season of Daredevil, so I'm watching that. So yeah, it's gonna be a good night. See you guys in the morning. Hey buddy, I decided to wake up really early, and look how cold it is. It's 37 degrees. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. It's really cold right now, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.